Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have Charlotte with me, helping me, because we have a wonderful breakfast French toast. Who doesn't love French toast? You like French toast, don't you?
Of course.
Of course, I know. But it's a little bit of a twist. I have an Italian twist to it, and we are stuffing it actually with mascarpone cheese. So, pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare.
First thing we need to do is we need to get our mascarpone filling prepared. In a small bowl, add 4 ounces of mascarpone that's room temperature. Add to that 2 tablespoons of confectioner sugar, a tablespoon of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the zest of an orange. Continue to mix all this until well incorporated and set aside. In another dish, we want to add our egg mixture. To that, we will add 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and the juice of an orange. And we want to mix this until all well combined and set that aside. When we're ready to make our French toast, we want to heat our skillet. We want to take a frozen stick of butter and coat the skillet so that nothing sticks. Then we want to take our slices of brioche and we want to generously dip them into our egg mixture, coating both sides and making sure to drip off any excess egg. We want to then place each slice of our coated brioche on our hot skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown. When we're ready to assemble, we want to take 1 piece of brioche bread, place it on a plate, add half of the mascarpone filling, and then top it with another slice of brioche bread. And to garnish, we can add powdered sugar, add some fresh fruit and some mint, and this is just such a delicious breakfast.
What do you think, Charlotte?
It looks delicious.
Doesn't it? I know, we're gonna eat this here in a second. So I hope you guys give this one a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you if you did actually try this recipe. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo. Let's go ahead and eat this.